stick, JD. You fly over and you build your nest just like that. Good job, JD. And where's it go, Jay? Good job. There you go. Right in. Get it back there. And good job. See how he kind of plates in there really nice? Yeah. Emma, you're doing a great. Good job, JD. Attaboy. And here he comes. Good job, JD. Yeah, nice hand for all.
Like feed the bird?
Good job. For a while, they fought together in numbers of maybe 20, 30, or 40 birds. And so we take them home. And we put them over there. Oh, yeah. Go to work. We go to school. By itself. Yeah. There you go. Good job. There you go. Ready, ready? There you go.
What?
Ready, ready?
There's 3 of them. One's behind.
Not to mention, these birds, you wanna? Yes or no?
I want to get
Okay, maybe not.
Maybe
Maybe not.
not happening.
Okay, one more. There you go. Good job, good job. All right, very good. These are our sun conures, everyone. They hunt at night, right? Okay, so what do we call animals that hunt at night? Yeah, nocturnal. That's right, nocturnal. And do we know what skill sets they have that allows them to hunt so well? Come along, and with their sharp, powerful beak, they'll break into that carcass and they'll get their fill, right? We know that vultures are very important for us. I'll tell you a little story about vultures and how incredibly important they are for us. You see, in India, not too long ago, they lost about 80% of their vulture population. 80%, that's a lot, right? It was due to a drug called diclofenac, anthrax, but disease that doesn't hurt the vultures at all for some reason. They ran its day yesterday, and we might as well celebrate it all year long, you know, because we know how incredibly beneficial these guys are. So the next time you see them, are you ready? Here we go, all the way. Yeah, nice job, Buffett. You're doing great. Oh, here's another one for you. Good job, buddy. All the way. And good job. Right in the recycling bin. Let's go get some more. Here we go. Where are we? Here we are. This one right here, Buffett. Get that cannon back to the recycling bin. Good job, my boy.